Good afternoon, my dear pupils. How are you? Yes. Are you ready today's lesson?
Yes.
What was your home tasks for today? Okay, you should learn vocabularies and also you should make a dialogue with your partner. Yes?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Last time we talked about the team computing. Do you know? Have you learned vocabs?
Yes.
Okay, Timur. Zaryadka yo'llamoq.
Plug in.
Yes, you are right. Batareya quvvati.
Battery life.
Yes, you are right. Iqbol, tizimga kirmoq.
Logo.
Tizimdan chiqmoq.
Logo.
Now from making dialogue task from this group, Shodiona and Kumush, please come to the board and show us your dialogue. Hozir biz qizlar bilan birgalikda sport mavzusiga tayyorlagan dialogni ko'ramiz.
Hello, Shodiona. Are you going to gym tomorrow? Hi, Kumush. Yes, I am, and we need to choose same activity. Okay. Do you fancy volleyball? No, I'd rather not. I can't play volleyball. I think athletic would be better. I don't really fancy doing that. I'd prefer to basketball. Yes, I like basketball because it is very interesting and exciting. Okay, good idea. Goodbye. Bye.
Bu jamoamizdan esa Timurbek hamda Bobur tayyorlab kelgan dialogini aytib berishadi.
Hi Timur, how are you today?
Hi, Bobo. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too.
Do you listen that?
No, I don't. What is this?
Tomorrow the summer holidays start. Are you going to Olympics?
Yes, I am. Do you have tickets?
Yes, I do. I have 2 tickets for us.
Well, we go together.
Yes, we will. When will we go Olympics?
About 10 o'clock.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Today we have new topic. It's called sports and hobbies. Do you know what is sport and hobby? Bilamiz bolalar. Ba'zi sport turlarini biz bilamiz bolalar. Ular ba'zilarini ijro etishga biz play ni ishlatamiz, ba'zilariga go ni, ba'zilariga do ni ishlatamiz. Hozir sizlar bilan birgalikda bilib olamiz bolalar, qaysilariga play hamda qaysilariga go, do bilan bajarishni. Demak, xo'sh, if we normally use play with the ball game and team sport. Agar biz guruh bo'lib, jamoa bo'lib yoki ma'lum bir jamoada to'p bilan o'ynaydigan o'yin turlarimiz bo'lsa, biz play so'zini ishlatar ekanmiz. For example, play football. Chunki biz uni jamoa bo'lib, bir o'zimiz emas, ko'p kishi bo'lib o'ynaymiz. Qani yana qanaqadir misol bera olasizlarmi?
Play basketball.
Play basketball. Again, ball so'zi ishtirok etgan bo'lish kerak o'yinimizga. Yana
Play volleyball.
play volleyball. Yana handball. Yes, you are. Now guys, we will do written task. In your book we have exercise 4. In this task you should separate the type of sport. Bolalar, hozir yozma task qilamiz. Siz sport turlarini play, go hamda do ga qarab ajratib chiqishingiz kerak. And I will give you 3 minutes for doing this task. 3 daqiqa vaqt beraman. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start doing this. Boshladik. Hammamiz bajarib bo'lgan bo'lsak endi bolalar, shu mashqimizni biz doskaga bajaramiz. Ya'ni play, do, go fe'llari bilan sport turlarini yozib chiqamiz. Xo'sh, are you ready for doing this task? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, stop. Time is up. Xo'sh, qani play. Gulchehra, yes, all words are correct. Baxtbek, yes, you can write correctly, and also Sunnat's words are very clear and correctly. Bravo guys, applause. Alqishlab qo'yamiz bolalar. Xo'sh bolalar, shu bilan birgalikda bugun bizga yangi grammatik mavzuyimiz bor. Sizlar bilan birgalikda biz bugun future plans hamda future prediction ga will hamda going to ni ishlatishni o'rganamiz bolalar. Xo'sh, will ni biz har doim egadan oldinga ishlatamiz. Shu jumladan going to ni ham faqatgina going to dan oldin nimani qo'yishimiz kerak? To be ni egaga moslab qo'yish eslaringdan chiqmasin. Ya'ni am, is, are ni. Shu jumladan sizga savol tug'ilishi mumkin bolalar. To be going to dan keyin biz fe'lni be formi, ya'ni hech qanaqa shaklsiz o'zini qo'yishimiz kerak. Endi bitta gap tuzamiz bolalar. For example, the first one, birinchisiga I will go to, for example, America. Xo'sh, qani shuni going to ga o'zgartiramiz. Bu me. Kim menga yordam beradi shuni o'zgartirishga? Qani?
I am going to.
Jasmina, to'xta. Oldin gaping to'g'rilab ol. Boshla.
I am going to America.
I am going to America. Nima uchun shu yerga bitta go bo'ldi, bolalar? Chunki biz going to bilan go ni bermaymiz. Ikkalasiga bitta go o'sha zamonni o'zini ko'rsatib beradi. Agar boshqa fe'l bo'lsa qo'yaveramiz. Masalan, I am going to fly America. Is it clear for you? Tushunarli bo'ldimi?
Yes.
Yozilgan narsalarni daftarga yozib olamiz, chunki uyga vazifa shunga bog'liq tarzda bo'ladi. Xo'sh, bolajonlar, bugungi mavzumiz tushunarli bo'ldimi? Will bilan going to ni farqini o'rgandikmi?
Yes.
Demak, bu tushunarli bo'lgan bo'lsa, uyga vazifa will hamda going to ni ishtirokida har bittasiga 10 tadan gap tuzib kelamiz. Qo'shimcha tarzda esa bugun o'rgangan yangi lug'atlarimizni yana mukammal takrorlab yodlab kelamiz. Tushunarli bo'ldimi?
Yes.
Okay guys, thanks for your attention and goodbye.
Bye.